Hello guys, today we are going to talk about one of the important class of sklearn and inside sklearn preprocessing API, that is OneHotEncoder. We have seen lot many kind of different kind of data around us, and in these data we have means like we have variety of columns and variety of fields are there, and these fields in that you will find that data each and every data is carrying different type of data, and these like few of them they belongs to nominal class, or they belongs to ordinal class. When we talk about one hot encoder tackles data with respect to nominal class, and nominal class is where you are not worried about order, or you are not worried about that what is the sequence of data. You can simply work on it, and you can rectify the problem of problem of that particular column. Now, right here, what we are doing is we are taking this particular data set. In this, you will find column number 1. So we are not talking about complete data. We are talking about the data on which we are going to apply OneHotEncoder, and we will see all the information related to that. So right here we have one data set, and in this data set we have column number 1, that is location. So in this we have India, Japan, and Israel, and this particular value is like repeated on different rows, and we have this particular stuff. Now when we are important libraries which are required right here is Pandas and NumPy, and wherever the sklearn is required, we will import that sklearn library. So very first thing is we are importing the library. This is my data set, and then what I am doing is I am reading my data set. And then in this data set I am pulling out my independent and dependent columns. Okay, I am pulling out my independence and dependent columns. So capital X is my independent variable and Y is my dependent variable. So we have separated both of them, and this is my dependent one, and these are my independent values. Now, when you see this particular thing that we have India, Japan, and Israel. Okay, as you know that my machine learning algorithm it doesn't understand non-numeric values. So we need to convert the data into numeric one. So what exactly we are going to do is we are going to apply OneHotEncoder on it, and OneHotEncoder will convert this into dummy variables and dummy columns, and then we will utilize those values in our in place of this particular column, that is India, Japan, and Israel. Okay, this particular column, location column, will be replaced by these 3 values. So right here you can see India is represented by 100, Japan is represented by 001, and Israel is represented by 010. So this particular thing, it is now representing India with 100. So wherever India will be there, it will get represented by 100. Wherever Japan will be there, then it will represented by 001, and wherever Israel will be there, it will represented by 010. And this in this particular way, we are converting one particular column with the help of with the help of OneHotEncoder, we are converting it into new values. So ultimately, this is what we are getting in this output. Okay, my columns are converted into 100, 001, 010, and same is repeated till end. We are taking second case right here where we have data with respect to data with respect to, that is age of, age wise we are calculating BMI. So body mass index we are calculating, we have this particular data, that is male, female and transgender. So these three fields, these three values, column number 1, and in which we have three values, male, female and transgender. So we need to convert this particular value into the, with the help of OneHotEncoder, we have to convert it into numeric value. Okay. Now right here again, using independent value, I'm taking I'm taking first 4 columns, and last column is going into the dependent one. Now again, what I'm doing is I'm applying OneHotEncoder on it, and male is now represented by 010, female is represented by 100, and transgender is represented by 001. So using OneHotEncoder, I have converted my data into this particular format, and my ultimate result is right here. Okay, my ultimate result is right available here. So in this way, my OneHotEncoder, which tackles with nominal data, which works with nominal data, we can see that how easily we can convert the non-numeric data into numeric data. Now again, we are taking one more set of data right here. Values are in this value is none, header is level. So in level we have none, low, medium, high and very high, and then we are converting this particular thing. So severity of data we are measuring right here, and right here you can see what we have is my first 4 columns, they are independent one, and my last column is dependent one. So I'm separating that particular data in independent and dependent values. Okay, and they assigning it to that specific variable. Now right here again you can see, as we have total 5 values, that is none, low, medium, high and very high, it has created 5 columns. It has created 5 columns. First one, none, is represented by 00010. Low is represented by 01000. Then your medium is represented by 00100. Then high is represented by 10000, and very high is represented by 00001. So in this way, this representation is taken place. Now in previous 2 examples, we have seen 3 values in first column, and on those 3 values we are applying OneHotEncoder, and we are converting it into 3 columns. Right here specifically I have taken 5 values, and these 5 values are getting converted in this particular way, that it will convert it into 5 columns, and then you will get the respective value. Okay, so same result you can see in the output, that columns are converted into 00100, then 01000, then 00100, 10000 and 00001. So in this way we are converting the data into dummy variables. We are converting data into dummy values, and we are getting the output. And in the 4th case, what I am doing is I am taking more values. So suppose you will count 2, 3, 5, 7. So there are 7 values right here. We have stream, so IT, finance, mechanical, then education, pharma, medical, banking, and then values are repeating. Now in column number 1, okay, in column number 1 we will apply OneHotEncoder. Okay, we will apply OneHotEncoder, and using OneHotEncoder, what we are doing is, first we are separating independent and dependent values, and then after that what we are doing is we are applying OneHotEncoder on it, and we are creating the values. Now right here you can see we have total 7 columns are replaced right here. So 7 columns are replaced, and my non-numeric value is converted into numeric one. So this is the representation of the same. So I hope you understood this particular OneHotEncoder class, how it works, and other details about it. I'm going to share this particular file. It will be available with your YouTube video, and file will be available in GitHub. And you go through it, you will find all the details with respect to what you can say, like theoretical details of this particular library, and theoretical details of this particular class. And you can make another combinations, and you can try with the same code for that. Okay. I hope you like this video, so please do subscribe the video, and subscribe my channel, like the video, and give thumbs up to it, as well as please click the bell icon. Thank you very much.